Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unboxing from FEELOOK ART. Today is the July the 22nd, I think, and y'all, I just got this, so I'm a little late to the game here, but I hope you all still, watch and enjoy the video. So, this came to me from FEELOOK ART, so I just want to say thank you to Sunny for sending this to me. I really, truly appreciate it. And y'all know that I adore FEELOOK ART. I just think they have got the best drills. I think their canvases are absolutely wonderful. So, the box itself is very nice, very sturdy. It has a texture on it, it sparkles, and then it has their logo on it, FEELOOK ART, when tiny sparks become masterpieces. And then it lets you know that everything you need is inside and the details are on the back. Then it has their little logo there. And then on the side, it has every diamond you place is a small step towards something extraordinary. And then on the back, this is your details. This is your kit contents, and this is how you diamond paint. Their guarantees and all that. And I don't want to show you what I got yet. There is all their socials. There's a QR code. So yeah, and then it also has a picture of the canvas on the side, which is a removable sticker so that you can peel that off and put it in your logbook, or you can put it on the ends, or however you store your diamond paintings. Okay, so the box is open from the side. I love that. So we're going to open this up, get everything out. Now I did notice that this series did not come with a card, so I'm not sure why. But inside the box you do get your little pamphlet, and then on the back of it you have a place to where you can put your start date and your completion date. Again, there's all your socials, and on the inside it has your step-by-steps. Stuck the box down in the floor and he grabbed it and started tearing it up. Alright, so sorry about that. So anyway, you've got your step-in-step instructions, your kit contents, tips and tricks, and this is a really nice pamphlet, because I don't know if you can see, but it's got like this glittery thing infused in the paper to where it sparkles. So I thought that's pretty cool. Then you get your stickers, which I will show you in a second. But your kit does come in a plastic dust bag, which has their logo on here, FEELOOK ART. So we're going to look at this. Now, the back of their canvases is that short length flocked material. It is serged and scalloped, which keeps it from fraying. And now, y'all, sorry about that. I have, of course, I can't watch everybody, but the people that I have seen, I have not seen anybody with this canvas yet. I could be wrong, like I said. I don't see everybody, but yeah. Alright, let me just get this flattened out a little bit, which it will flatten itself. You don't have to do really anything to it. So here is the toolkit. It comes in this reusable, resealable plastic bag. So in the toolkit, you do get a putty pen, which you just unscrew this, you stick the putty, wax, whatever you want to use in there. Right now it is loaded. It comes preloaded with wax. And you can see that there are ridges on here. You twist this, and the more you twist it, your wax is going to come out of the end. So these are good for, well, anything. And then here's your putty that you're going to stick down in there. Or like I said, you can use wax. It does come with a pair of metal bent neck tweezers. So those are nice. Okay. It's going to come with not one, but 2 bags of baggies. And there are 30 baggies in each one of these. And I'm going to bring y'all down just a little. I think the boys messed up my camera angle. Anyway, these are the really good bags. Alright. Then you're going to get 2 little boats or trays with the spout. And gotta get it out there. It comes with your stickers, 1 through 60, if you want to use those on your containers. Alright, so we're going to just put all of this back in here. It's a really nice toolkit, although I do wish that instead of them sending these pins, I wish they would just, really, my opinion, y'all, sorry, I wish they'd just do away with these pins and put like just a resin pin in it. Okay, so you want to see what I picked out? Everybody picked out everything but this one. I don't know. There's probably somebody out there that picked this one. But I really liked it. This one is called Violet Iris. This is a design size, which means just the picture, just what we're going to diamond paint, is 60 by 80. Now, the whole canvas from top to bottom, side to side, is going to be 68 by 88 centimeters. So I'm going to turn this around so that I can show that to y'all. See, right there. Plus it has its thumbnail. Here's, again, all of their socials. And then you can see that these are, they use eco-friendly materials. Everything is made to last, and they have no bleed. So these are not going to fade over time. They do use resin drills. You might, if you get some of their older canvases, they might be acrylic because that's what they started off with. But they have now gone to resin. They do have their logo up here on the top, FEELOOK ART, when tiny sparks become masterpieces. Now, they have a schematic, key, legend, whatever you want to call this. They have it over here on the top left, and they also have one on the bottom right. Now, this canvas in particular has got 28 colors, and it looks like we've got one special. Now, before we look at the drills, here is the sticker sheet. And again, this is all removable. You can put this in your logbook. Then here's your individual stickers that you can put on your bags, on your containers, however you want to kit up. Plus they give you extra. So I really like that. Okay, so there's that. Now, I chose this one because If you've been following me, you know purple is my favorite color. But I also like irises. Now, I did think that all the other canvases were gorgeous, and I almost picked the Maiden. And then I almost picked the Owl. But I was like, you know what? No, I'm going to get something a little different. And that's what I got. So I got this iris. So we're just going to kind of go through here. Now, these are all round drills. And I'm going to tell y'all something. Now, I don't know if you have done a FEELOOK art. You've noticed their drills. Their drills are really nice. I have not had any issues with any of their drills. I've not run out. I have not, there's no static in them, as you can see. For the most part, they've all been very consistent in size. You know, I have not had any issues. None at all whatsoever. So here is the special. So this is going to be the glitter. I don't know what FEELOOK Art calls these. I need to check. But they're fairy dust. So that's what these are. So that is pretty. But look at those purples. And look, these are my favorite colors together. Teals and purples. And then you throw some black in there. And yeah. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bags of 310. Look at those. These are just gorgeous. But I'm going to tell y'all now, and I'm not just saying this because I got a free kit. Sorry, I had to cough. But FEELOOK Art has become my favorite company above all other companies, okay? I'm just going to tell y'all that right now. I think that this is such a great company. They kind of started off nobody knowing about them, and they have really took off, and they have gone from just regular kits to something that is it's just premium grade, I think. I really do. And I know that these are not. Look at that. I can never put these things back in here. Some people are really good about that. I cannot. I have such issues. That's why I don't really even show the drills. Because I can never get them back in there. Alright, so I'm just going to bring it down just a little. But look at how pretty the colors are. Everything is so clear. So there's going to be quite a bit of color blocking in this. This is going to go quickly. Really quickly. And those fairy dust are going to go right in here because it was the slash mark is what they were. It's going to go, yeah, it's going to go in and around the flowers. But it's so pretty. And look, you've got a little pop of color down in the corners. All of this is going to go so fast. So if you like color blocking, this is a good one for you. And I mean, it's got a little confetti in it, but not a lot, y'all. Not a lot. This is going to be quick. Now, I'm still working on pink blooms. And it's turned out beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So what do y'all think? like I said, I know there's probably somebody else out there that got this one, but for me, I have not seen this one unboxed at all. I have seen all of them except for this one. But I don't have enough time in the day to watch everybody's videos. So, I don't know. But it's gorgeous. It's going to be so pretty. It is going to be beautiful. So, alright, well, I do hope you enjoyed this video. And again, y'all, I'm sorry I'm late to the game, but I literally just got this. My daughter just brought it in here to me and said, Mom, you got a delivery. And I was like, oh, thank goodness. Let me get this video made. So yeah. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And thank you to Sunny and all of the FEELOOK company. And y'all, they have got a special going on right now. If you spend $100, you get 20% off. You spend $150, you get 25% off. $200, you get 30% off. And anything over $75 is free shipping. So, go check this company out. You will not be disappointed. I promise you. And if you have any issues, looky here. They got 24-hour service support. So, alright. Anyway, thank you for watching. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.